Time management is the art of using one's time efficiently to achieve specific goals. Mastering this skill can lead to increased productivity, reduced stress, and a better quality of life. Here are some basic principles of time management. 1. Set clear goals. Understand what you want to achieve in the short and long term. 2. Prioritize tasks. Determine which tasks are most important and tackle those first. 3. Plan ahead. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and planners to schedule your tasks. 4. Break tasks into steps. Large tasks can be overwhelming. Break them into smaller, manageable steps. 5. Avoid procrastination. Delaying tasks can lead to unnecessary stress. Start tasks early and stick to deadlines. 6. Delegate when necessary. Understand that you can't do everything. Delegate tasks when possible. 7. Minimize distractions. Identify what commonly sidetracks you in your work and try to eliminate those distractions. 8. Take breaks. Short breaks between tasks can refresh your mind and improve efficiency. 9. Review and adjust. At the end of the week, review what you've accomplished and adjust your strategies if necessary. Remember, time management is a continuous learning process. With practice and dedication, you can make the most out of your time and achieve your goals more effectively.